Welcome to another session of Retail Graph. Today we will be discussing about product attribute. It's again in master inventory, and in inventory we have product attribute. As we click on product attribute, another window pops up which has similar features as shown earlier in different menus like home, view and options. Home has again different tabs like new, edit, form view, print, delete and refresh. View has preview, print options, grid layout, save layout. Options has export to Excel, system maintenance, log reports, send SMS, export import data and detail search. On the home screen of product attribute, we see existing items, the product attributes which are already there. Again we can go to set grid layout and change the pattern as desired and can save it so that it reflects in the sheet here which is visible to us. As you can see, there is one more column which is there, so we can just do it. We can also drag and drop, as you already know. So the attribute category is glass item and the attribute is breakable. Similarly, attribute category is juices and attribute is liquid. Attribute category is food item 1 and attribute is perishable. So we can also just select the product attribute and do an edit, and we can see whether what is the attribute category. We can also edit it and save it to exit. We can also do a form view, edit it, save it. The only difference between edit and form view is that when you do form view and edit the items and save, you again will be on the same window. The window will not close. Also we can print, delete any product attribute and refresh the list for any updates. Suppose we wish to create a new product attribute, so we can go to new, just enter the attribute whatever we wish to and the attribute category, and then we can save and exit from this window. I hope you have understood about the product attribute. Thank you so much.